right, today I am in Ventura County in Fillmore, California, and I'm at the Bardsdale Cemetery. Let's go check it out. It's a very windy day here today, if you can see. You can probably even hear the wind blowing through all the trees here. So this cemetery is literally in the city of Fillmore, California. You have to go up this windy road high up in the mountains. But I kind of wanted to check it out. I was in the area, so I was like, why not do a little detour? I would love to try to see if we can get an EVP, but I really feel that's going to be impossible because of all the wind. I mean, it's just crazy windy here. But you never know. We'll try. We'll see what we can get. Not going to be here long at all. Let's see what we can get. I'm going to pick a center place and see if somebody wants to come and talk to me. I'm probably going to have to stand behind something. Maybe that way it can reduce the noise from the wind. Maybe this will do it. Whatever. Does anybody wish to communicate with me? Now, the reason why I decided to kind of do a little quick detour here is that apparently this cemetery is supposed to be extremely haunted. That one is. This little, it's probably going to be a baby. Still on there. Anybody want to communicate with me? Want to tell me your name? Want to make a noise for me? See, it's just crazy windy here. So I'm saying it's probably going to be nearly impossible to get anything here. I thought I saw something right there. Somebody here with me? Want to make yourself known? Want to make a noise for us? A bit chilly out here, only because of the wind, but it's not like overbearing cold. But you know us in Southern California, we don't do well with cold. We don't do well with rain. Anything winterish for big old babies. Photo. Thank you. Anybody want to make so windy. I'm literally going to put my phone here. Let's see what we can get. Is there anybody who would like to speak with me? Anybody want to make a noise for me? Want to tell me your name? Alright, we'll see what we get from that. I don't know if we're able to block the wind at all, but again, it's crazy windy here. But I'm going to cut this one short because, like I said, there's too much wind. Very, very cold here. Let's go across the way and see what we got over there. It's so windy that it's literally like pounding my ears. That's how windy it is here. Looks like she was born in 1922 and also passed away in 1922. These are probably babies. Yeah, this one says our baby. 1923. It also sounds like somebody lives on the grounds as well. There's, down over there, there's actually a house. This is sad, babies. It's always sad to see where babies are buried at. For some unknown reason, they chose to experience a very short life here. This one, James King, was a fireman. Looks like maybe military. I don't know. All right, everyone, we're out. It's way windy here. We're not. It's gonna be too difficult to get anything and to hear anything. All right, have an amazing and blessed rest of your day.